Hey guys, welcome back in Coding Bangla YT, and this video I will show you a demo project of my Unreal Engine. So here you can see in this project I use all the assets used from Unreal Engine marketplaces, and you can see I have some guns, I have some animation. So let me show you that how I use this animation and asset in the same place. So here I using the locomotion. The locomotion can easily handle my character locomotion. You can see it can aim, and it can at the same time he can clutch, and he can also walk and clutch, and he can prone. Okay, so here you can see, and he can also come from up, and he can pick up any gun, and after that he can reload the gun or pick the gun, then he can also aim the gun. So that's so much cool, and he can also drop the weapon. Okay, so here you can see he's dropping the weapon which one he have. So let me show you one more thing, that here the once more advanced. If we are don't go near of any weapon, if I click now E keyboard or F, okay, maybe okay, if I click of F keyboard or M, so here he's telling that I don't have any gun, so I need to pick up a gun. So here I am now near of a gun. Now let's click on E. So here it's picking the gun. Okay, if I click now M, so he can drop the gun. So if I again want, so I need to go near of the gun. Okay, because I lost this gun or I dropped this gun, so I need to I can pick now any more gun. So here go near of any gun. So let's go near of a gun. Here I pick the gun, and now if I click on reload, I can easily reload the gun or take the gun, and now I can easily aim, and by aim I can also clutch and clutch walk also, and I can also prone by my gun. So it's a totally very amazing project. So I soon give you the project. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. You can also buy this project as fast as possible by, yeah, I don't think you should buy. I give you the project full in free. Okay, all this is totally free, so I give you the project in free, so don't need to buy. Sorry for say. And thank you so much for watching guys. Love you all guys. Bye bye.